Hi, I'm Sarah from the Charlotte Mason Institute. In the past years, we've seen educators rethinking education in creative ways, and co-ops and micro schools especially have popped up all over the country and the world. So let's talk about how Alveary can support co-ops and micro schools specifically and help you create a flexible and customized learning experience for your students. Imagine a learning environment where a co-op or micro school leaders are mentors and fellow learners alongside highly engaged students, where the best books and resources are paired with meaningful hands-on work and time in nature. It's a space of rich and joyful learning where everyone is respected as unique persons made in the image of God. This isn't just a dream, but a reality through Charlotte Mason's relational approach to education. And we created Alveary to be the spark that can help your vision come to life. Our curriculum is created by a team of Charlotte Mason educators and includes prep notes, lesson steps, narration ideas, exam questions, links, and more. Our bookshelf offers over 1,000 titles across subjects, all correlated with the year's history cycle. Many subjects like poetry, music appreciation, art appreciation, and literature align with the history period, fostering connections across grades and allowing for combined lessons in multi-age groups. With Alveary lessons as your foundation, you can attend to the needs of your specific students to customize their work, easily train new teachers, and find joy as you learn and grow yourself. Alveary Plus also provides additional scheduling opportunities as leaders and teachers can use their syllabus planner with Alveary lessons to create their own dynamic schedules, customize assignments, keep track of student work, set vacations, print out daily lesson plans, and even assign independent work. You can also find support via Alveary Foundations, a guide of short tutorials and videos on Mason's methods. You can watch webinars or read articles in our resource base, work through our reflective practice plan book, ask questions on our live office hours chat, and connect with others in Alveary's Hive, our private social media network. We've seen educators use Alveary in their co-ops and micro schools in a number of creative ways. Some get together for a half day and keep it simple, with all ages together in just a few subjects such as music, picture study, and dance. Some micro schools meet 2 to 4 days a week and have teachers for each grade leading reading lessons, science, geography, Plutarch, Shakespeare, and other subjects. Alveary allows you the freedom to choose what is best for your group, and lessons are written to make it easy for teachers to implement them with multiple ages. Explore our Instagram accounts and see the list of co-ops and schools and micro schools on our website for you to see Alveary in action. So how can Alveary serve your co-op or micro school? If you're starting a micro school or already running one, simply reach out to us and set up a meeting with us, and we'll talk to you about how Alveary can best work for you. For co-ops, our guidelines were intentionally created to allow anyone to use Alveary lessons, even if they're not Alveary members. Teachers just have to have an Alveary membership or own the individual course themselves, and they're free to teach. If you teach at least 3 Alveary subjects in your co-op, or at least 3 of your families want to become Alveary members, you're eligible to receive a discounted Alveary membership. You can find our full guidelines below and download our free guide on starting a co-op. Charlotte Mason emphasized, the question is not, how much does the youth know when he has finished his education, but how much does he care, and about how many orders of things does he care? In fact, how large is the room in which he finds his feet set, and therefore, how full is the life he has before him? By choosing Alveary, you're joining a community dedicated to providing a relational education, one that nurtures self-knowledge, respects each child's uniqueness, and fosters connections with others, the world, and God.